this which is closest to my heart. Pero wala man diri, hindi. I do not consider as my cousins, consider lang sila mga younger brothers and the Cabreras because I lived with them for years before. So sila diri lang, I hope na makabatis na there's a parents na will tell them mga murag sulpon na sila kay I watch them grow, how they live, how I live there. And then, yun sila sa mga ginawa sa mga saybayan na nahimot kapag po and to my wife, my very loving wife, I'm not a perfect husband, but I know that you have done the perfect love for me. Love you, man. To all, sa mga pinakaman na tulad, iba yung siya. Have a great, I hope that we will have a great very joyful years to come. Let us not look back for our whatever we have before, but we should look forward and just make memory about what we have done in the past. But don't forget, mas mahayag ang uma ang atong tanan. Basta, ihatag lang mo sa iyo na tuloy na lang. Yes. At saka, dumay. I know I'm not a perfect father, but kung ano ang kapulan ko bilang tatay, siguro nakita kung kinalangan anak, only langga. Alam niyo na kung galit ako, alam mo rin kung galit ako, wala. Kung galit ako, wala langga. Si Alex na, pero Alex lang. But I know that you have been through times sa iyong mag-eskwela kahit wala ko sa iya. I mean, I was doing my work abroad, FW, expat. But I thank God na nakatagpo niya si Jennifer. Very happy ko kayo. Diba, nakita ka si Lord. Ako na din mo nagmana si Jennifer. Thank you so much, Jen. Thank you so much for taking care of my son. Parang nalagay sa Yankee. Dapat ko po salamatan to Jessa, to Munjun, everybody to Ivan. I hope na ulang na ako pasalamat. God will fulfill everything for us. It's just hope and ask for anything that we want in our life. God will not look back from us. His assurance is simple if we just ask. Tinood na kaya sa kalugay-lugay na I don't know.